My name is Elizabeth Moranke. My ID number 170705100. My major is English literature. The subject is stylistic abstract. As the Great Gatsby opens, Nick Carraway, the story's narrator, remembers his upbringing and the lessons his family taught him. Readers learn of his past, his education, and his sense of moral justice as he begins to unfold the story of J. Gatsby. Operation takes place more than a year after the incidents described, so Nick is working through the filter of memory in relaying the story's events. The story's proper begins when Nick moves from the West Age Long Island, seeking to become a well-rounded man and to recapture some of the excitement and adventure he experienced as a soldier in VVA. As he tries to make his way as a bond salesman, he rents a small house next door to a mansion which it turns out belongs to Gatsby. Lizzie Buchan, Nick's cousin, and her husband Tom live across the bay in fashionable community of East Egg. Nick goes to visit Daisy, an ephemeral woman with a socialite illumination, and Tom, a brutish, hulking, powerful man made arrogant through generation of privilege. And he met Jordan Baker, the professional golfer and girlhood friend of Daisy's. The foursome lounged around the Burkhan's estate. They discussed the day's most pressing matters, the merits of living in the years, what to do on the longest day of the year, reactionary politics, and other such shallow topics. When Tom takes a phone call, Jordan informs Nick that Tom's mistress is on the phone. Tom, known for his infidelities, makes no pretense to cover up his errors. As Tom and Daisy work to set up Nick and Jordan, they seize the opportunity to question him about this support engagement to a girl back home. Nick reassures them there is no impending marriage, morally a series of rumors that constitute for truth. This is The Great Gatsby about formally stylistic. Fitzgerald opens his novel by introducing Nick Carraway, the story's narrator. Nick has, by his own admission, come back from the East last autumn, jaded and embittered by his experience there. The reader knows immediately that the story has already taken place and that Nick is telling it to us through the filter of time. He is distant from the events at hand and is recounting them by way of memory. It is imperative that readers trust him, then, because time can distort memories, and that then reception to the story hinges largely on his impartiality and good judgment. Great Gatsby does a good job of furthering the culture of the Roaring Twenties. The economy boom of the 1920s is portrayed in The Great Gatsby, which can be seen by the lavish lifestyle, expensive cars, and emphasis on materialistic items in The Great Gatsby. This caused a decline in moral values in society, with a greater value placed on material possessions rather than character. This was a scandalous era with excessive partying, illegal drinking, and shady business. The Great Gatsby depicts the way of life in the 1920s as well as having accurate historical information.